welcome to another vlog. Man, the thing that we do for car show, I am waking up at 6 o'clock in the morning. It's time to go to the car show. It's been a while since I've been to that car show too, so this is gonna be fun. You guys already know I drive this GTR every day, so I didn't get a chance to even clean it. I don't even have gas like that, but I think we should be able to survive. You know what, maybe hopefully the gas station is open this early. The gas station for E85 most of the time usually closed. Right now, let's go, man. So we are heading over there. I guess you guys can actually just enjoy the sound of the car. It took me a while to get over here too, man, but we are almost there. We are about a couple minutes, about 7 minutes away from there. So hopefully I can actually find a spot too. Showing up this late to Caffeine, I mean, it's not even late, but showing up around this time at Caffeine and Octane, especially when I don't have nobody to hold a spot for me, I'm not sure. So worst come to worst, I don't have a spot, I am just leaving. But right now we are heading over there. Hopefully you guys are all going to enjoy this. Right now I'm just enjoying driving over here. These are some local roads. I don't like to, you know, be doing anything crazy around here. As you guys can't see it, there's a truck just cruising around here. But yeah, man, let's just enjoy this car. This never get old, man. This is why it's so hard to get a new car. Even if I have a new car, I think this is always gonna be like that car. Until it's not. But right now we just enjoy driving. And I hope you guys can actually see everything like I'm seeing it right now too. Alright. I know we close to the mall. I don't even know where we at. I don't even know this area like that. But I think we're somewhere around Dunwoody. So we're just driving that way right now. I don't even know which one is him. Oh, wait, I'm thinking. Yo, what up, Gary? Yeah, I thought that was you over there.
I know.
Yo, you got so much Giada.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Wow. Guys, the Supra. I'm seeing a lot of people getting the Supra now. I don't know, man.
How much do they weigh? Because
Hey, it's parked just like everybody else. Broncos.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of Broncos. Alright. Let me know what you guys think.
There's a catalog.
Great to see you. But yeah, I got everybody I got all the parking people together.
Everybody loves the
yesterday.
beds. Yeah, bet on deck. Oh, look at the caddy. Look how many cars in that caddy, though. Nah, that's pretty cool. I mean, I remember collecting cars like that, but that's nice.
Damn.
This ain't no Defender.
Yeah, drop it.
That's crazy. No, that's clean.
I like the S2000s.
Yeah, they do the job. Look. Yeah, this is all super. All the way down there. That's clean too.
I don't have a vacuum. I'm a hot.
That's a clean wrap. This is clean too.
But so Randy GRC did the bumper.
I just got.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is clean. Look at the seat too.
So I would
You got the mics too, man. Not bad. I gotta bring that. Wait. It's giving me like Fast and the Furious vibes. Will that give you that Vice City vibe? That's what I'm talking about. And it's a right-hand drive. Wow. Wow, that's a whole kit.
And it has all the dots that count mechanicals. So it's like a street racing car. You see Bob's?
Like, yeah, if you know, you know.
It's such a simple, like, I don't know how to describe it.
I just can't get into it. I just yet.
Yeah, no, I'm like a 3-minute crew, and all I'm doing is sitting on the bank, like doing nothing for the rest of the night.
Yeah, I mean, like, it's almost.
Squad. They have a name for Squad RC.
All the way down. Wow, this is nice.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, it is already the next day, and this is also the main reason why I would say I'm the worst person at vlogging, because I definitely forgot about the camera. But right now we're gonna try our best. I'm almost at the location, so right now what we're doing is we're going for an oil change, and also we gotta check out that transmission problem we've been having. So I hope we don't have to drop the transmission, but most likely we might have to. Oh man, I always get stuck behind somebody. Earlier I got stuck behind a truck. I mean a bus. Now we got stuck behind a tow truck. But yeah, so we just driving over there right now, guys. I guess I could just be quiet, enjoy this sound, and just, you know, enjoy the road too. Oh, they have a lot of land over there. Yeah, so we're about 6 minutes away from our destination, so we're just driving right now. We can't really go that fast, so just enjoying it. I just had to do a pull for y'all. Alright, anyway, yeah, this is how I cruise, man. One hand out the window and the other hand on the wheel. Just enjoy the road.
We're like, yo, this is your fucking- I've been tracing this, trying to find this oil leak. Yo, you know what? Everything seems to happen for the better. You know what
I know, yo. I mean, you know, as much as I've been pushing the car, I would have never thought that was it. I was expecting the hole to be all the way up
I was
there.
like, what the fuck? Let me put the fucking bolt on it and see. I
Yeah.
put the bolt on him because as you can see how the RTV is all smashed in there, right?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
was saying, all right,
It's something they did after the fact.